How to create video content on Claude. Want to create video content with Claude? Let's walk through prompts, scripts, and editing tips. So start by deciding your video type: tutorial, product review, explainer, or short form content. Claude adapts prompts to match your format. And then type a clear prompt in Claude, like create a faceless YouTube tutorial script for zipbooks and voicing. Claude generates the scene by scene narration and visuals. So Claude provides narration, visuals, and editing tips. You can refine by asking for shorter cuts, TikTok versions, or more detail. Ask Claude to condense it into 60-second cuts, perfect for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Claude suggests accessibility edits, overlay text subtitles, highlight boxes, and music cues to keep viewers engaged. Copy Claude's script into your editor, add screen recording, stock footage, or animations, and use Claude's editing tips to polish. Claude saves time by generating ready-to-use scripts. You still control visuals and editing, but Claude handles structure and narration. And that is how to create a video content with Claude.